Starlink is overheating? What to do? If you're running the Speedify app, Speedify will notify you when your Starlink is overheating. Speedify constantly monitors your Starlink internet connections for problems and alert you when there's an issue. If Speedify alerts you that Dish thermal throttle or Dish thermal shutdown, then that means your Starlink is overheating. You have to figure out a way to get a little less heat on that thing. Is there a way to get some shade over it? Is it sitting on top of a generator? Whatever it is getting too hot to operate. You have to figure out how to get it in a slightly better spot where it'll be a little cooler. Now, Speedify does all kinds of cool tricks like connection bonding to improve the performance of your Starlink. If you're using Starlink without Speedify, you probably want to head over to speedify.com and get it installed so that you get alerted when there's an issue. If you're interested in more content about how to get the best out of your Starlink, download Speedify today and subscribe for more.